Amen, say man. It's your boy, the official Troy, and I'm back again with another banger. Amen. So check this out. Yesterday I've been chilling out with my producer, innit? So we're chilling and then we decided to be like, yo, let's create some soundtracks for the YouTube channel, you know what I mean? So I was like, alright, let me record this whole shit, you know, make it like into a whole vlogging style shit, you know? And look, I'll put it all together for you. Actually, it's a raw video, no cuts, no nothing. You're going to get everything, you know what I mean? So let me not bore you with the whole intro, man. Let's get into the video.
Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Going so fast like a Tesla, baby. On your phone like I need you, baby. Oh God, I need you, baby. Easy, baby. Calling my phone like I need you, baby. Oh God, I need you, baby. Need you, baby. Easy, baby. Let's take it easy, baby. Easy, baby. Easy, baby. Easy, 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 baby. Taking it easy, baby. Are you taking it easy, baby? Easy, baby.
Dude, hey man, look, today I'm chilling with my boy. We got something different coming out for y'all cause he's working on some soundtracks for the YouTube channel, you know what I mean? So we're working on it. I know the nigga got talent, he got the sauce, he got the juice, you know what I mean? He's the sausage, as Joseph that would say. You can't take the sauce from the sausage, so he's the sausage, my man, you know what I mean? So anyway, man, like, let my boy introduce himself, man. What's your name and where can they find you, my nigga?
Yo, what up? It's your boy Timo Beats. You can find me on IG as Timo Beats. You can find me on Facebook as Tefan, but there's Timo written there.
I bet, man. As y'all can hear, the song is coming nicely. The track is coming out nicely, man. You know what I mean? So we're going to go ahead with this shit. Maybe I might throw in a few couple of bars, you know? Maybe, you never know. I might be a rapper after all. Fuck, I just threw a line. You know what I mean? No? Fuck that shit. Let's get on with it. Hey. I mean, easy. It's so shit too easy. Let me show you what they did it. I see easy. Hey. I'm so good, I'm lit. Look at your hand, she's sitting on me like hey. Coffee. Oh. Coffee. Yeah. Hey. Look. But look at it starting to rain. Starting to fall on the niggas, you know what I mean? So how's it coming with the King FIFA 14 so? Oh God, ish. Man, go busy. It's FIFA this side here, it's music this side here. I wish I could show you, but then hey, I have to keep this facility. You know. Let's trading viewers yet. You can close from FIFA 14 going that way, yeah. FIFA 14, 22, 23. Okay. Also, probably like oh yeah. Shut the fuck up. This nigga is throwing hits up in here, man. He's throwing hits after hits. Maybe I might. Ooh. Shit. Maybe I might skip on the beat, you know what I mean? Okay. Ooh. Damn. God damn. God damn. Hey. Look. Shit. This nigga's trying to kill me, dog. He's trying to kill me, fam. Oh. Hey, yo, Timo Beats, what you trying to do to me, my nigga? What you trying to do to me, my man? Shit. I ain't got no shit. I ain't got no hits. I ain't got no bars. Look, and niggas are fine, your niggas are fine. I think I might take your hand. Look at your hand, she look at me crazy, you know I'ma take her home. Hey, I'm about to beat that shit. You know what I mean? When I'm telling I'm about to beat that shit. I don't beat no meat at 9, I beat your pussy so high. Hey, yo, Timo, what you doing, my boy? Hey,
Yeah.
niggas getting lit up in here, man. It didn't take him that long. Guy.
Oh, nasike true. Ke plugin tsa yona.
Hey, man.
Nka Spanish like the playing it that thing. So
Oh, yeah.
yeah.
Shit, oh yeah, by the way, guys, this nigga
yeah,
is
like,
about
I just
to create his
chill
YouTube
it,
channel.
so-
I don't know what he's going to call his YouTube channel, but then as soon as he drops it, you'll go find the link in the description on any videos, because each video that I'm gonna drop from today on, soundtracks are gonna be done by him. All the beats you're going to be hearing there, all the music and shit. He's the producer, he's the master, he does all that shit, man. So yeah, as soon as he drops the YouTube channel link, then I'm gonna drop it down in the description, and y'all know where to find him. I'll link his Instagram. Yeah, I'll basically link his Instagram and YouTube in the description, man. You know how we do? Yes, sir.
This one I call Vicky.
Vicky. It's a
I
beat.
named this one Vicky. Yeah, it's a beat.
How hard is it?
I think it's hard.
Is it hard like Vicky?
It's hard.
I like it when you say it's hard, my man. If it's hard, I mean, like legit hard. It's valid.
Yeah, nobody has heard it before.
For real.
Yeah.
So we getting exclusives, man. What you mean? Let's hear what my nigga got for us, man.
But I don't know.
Hey, Vicky! I think I had to tell me in there. Can you tell me in there? The entry. Hey, Vicky! Hey! Shit.
So your sound system can't handle this shit. Man.
My nigga, this is my house speaker, dog. Tryna kill my house speaker, you know what I mean? This nigga, oh nana hake pay I get back in my midi in at the time. Nigga, I need to listen to music, dog. All the heat and the beats and everything you get from me, I'ma hit it on the speaker, dog. What you mean? Fuck that shit, I'm hot. Hell. Yeah. But it's not bad. It's not bad. What do you all think? Rate it from 1 to 10. Drop your ratings in the comment line. What do you think of the beat? Should I use this one or the one he was busy creating for me? What you think? Ocean and get Palama in. He do some crazy shit on that beat, man. I'm telling you. Yeah. Oceans, big shout out to you, my nigga. I'll still have to use your tracks as well. You know, you gave me some exclusives. Nobody has heard them yet. I see you, bro. I see you coming with the fire, man.
I go crazy with the sub, dog.
We're not basically just trying to destroy the sound system, dog. That's all you wanna do. What else are you trying to do? Nigga, you be doing beats every day, every night, though. But you trying to kill my system, though. What the fuck, nigga?
This one, I named it Murder for some reason.
Probably gonna murder my sound system for real.
Fana sessions are changing on number 23 kla.
Ish.
I'm not down with this one. Chill.
Ish.
Before we move, process it for never
Yeah, because it's about to replace it.
Oh, this one, I get it. It's just the melody. Like, there's no like the instruments.
C'est dur au filet instrument. Hey man, we're going to throw some of this niggas beats, instrumentals, all that shit. Trying to find a nice soundtrack for y'all. Maybe, you know, Hatili Duty, watching my videos, yo, you know, vibing to something in the meantime. But yeah, let's hear what my nigga got for us. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know you're not full day.
What is this?
Shebanto, it will replace the file it's a check out the replace a file today and then we'll check out the original file. Oh, so to the data file, you know? So that means we'll have to create the DB file in the data file, the original file, and then move those files direct unzip into that. I guess it's the unzip you, like you create a folder, a new folder in the original. In the folder you want kapo. Oh yeah, then take the folder here, because it's already the DB file, klar. You need to copy up a card. Oh, like all I have, this nigga's trying to kill my sound system, dog. He's doing it again. Like what the fuck? No, and on your phone, there was that whole video, yeah, then to studio session you had that night. You flawed all the shit, my boy. This nigga. They say air suspension takes you down. Yeah. Just like that. You'll be down. I celebrate that much as well. It's during the day. Probably as well. Look. I've been tripping on my trap hard, tripping on my song hard. I'll be fucking with you right now. Yeah. And I can't.
Yeah, man, I get it right now.
You might not have a drill, like
I like track that.
I say it.
Usually, man, I get right there, so.
Clip.
This clip. This
Clip. Can you?
didn't get a little bit, so.
What's one look how cool and you'll be creating too many shit and then you'll forget the names of your shit. Like what the fuck?
Yo, Brian, they were like, you sometimes you just save it, man.
Nah, not all. Yeah, I just say go to filing
no time when I go with I go sometimes you feel like by rata. Capo, it be change when I was a rata, man. I thought like being a producer, so.
Hey dog, hold on.
You don't need to.
It's going to be the second video that you're in. But how, but never see you or know who you are, dog.
The mysterious face.
Yeah, Ghost Nigga. Yeah? What's good, Ghost Nigga, man? Yeah, man. Hey, guys, don't be surprised, or why am I busy looking the other way? I'm busy here trying to make guap, you know what I mean? We're trying to make that shit happen, man. Hey, man. So if you enjoyed the video, man, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, man. Bro, it's like a road to a young 100 subscribers, you know what I mean? We get in there, we go in there. With you, we might be getting there. You never know. Hey man, look, till I see you in another video, stay tuned and stay entertained.